We need chicken this time. Chicken and quinoa stir fry. Coconut oil, quinoa. I have triple color. Greek feta, Himalayan salt, smoked paprika, black pepper, lemon, mange, tout, fresh paprika, spring onions, and that's it. We need everything chopped before. Will be easier and quicker. Put to the pan. Yeah. Melt the coconut oil in the wok or large frying pan to medium heat. Put the spring onion and paprika bell and mix just a little bit and stir fry for 2-3 minutes or until the vegetables are starting to soften. Yeah. Smell nice and tasty good. It's very healthy and I think so delicious. You need to try self. That's why I'm doing this video. Yeah. Now we need to put chicken. And stir fry couple minutes. We need check small pieces before. Should be white, not pink. Now salt. And mix. And paprika, smoked paprika, black pepper. Yeah. I've write everything for you. Don't worry. If something not tell, just write. I need time. Okay. Now we put quinoa, cooked quinoa, pre-cooked before. Mix together and still fry for couple minutes. Not long. Just the all and again. And ready. Very quick. And now a little bit squeeze of lemon juice. Half lemon for one dish. And that's it. Just little bit. Brick feta. This is very tasty, look nice, and I think so you enjoy. Thank you. See you next time. I hope so you enjoy this version. Give me time, will be much better. Bye.